You know, they say bad things comes in twos, but I'm just not finding that to be true right now. Yo, what's up my sons that love Suds? I'm your host Paul, and today we're in Amsterdam at Brouwerij. Oh yeah. So, Brouwerij was started in 1985 by Casper Peterson after 120 years of there not being a brewery in Amsterdam. He was a home brewer, and his wife gave him an ultimatum. She said either you step your game up or you let it go. So Casper did what we all do. He rose to the occasion. He found a bathhouse, renovated it, and in 2013 they opened up their second location 700 meters away. The rest is history. So, what about these beers? Let's dive into that right now. This right here is their Tripel. It's organic, it's smooth, it's light, it's delicious. It just tastes like an amazing recipe. It's really good. And I'm trying their blonde, which is a 4.7. It's light and it's extremely hoppy. Delicious hops. I mean, I don't think I've tried these hops ever in my life, but the aroma of it's amazing. It's like out of this world. Outstanding. So, if you're in Amsterdam, go sink a drink with these folks. Outstanding, amazing, and unique. And of course, an outstanding and amazing story. Guys, from me to you, cheers, and thanks for everything. Thanks for your love and support. Remember, support local, travel the world, drink it all, and always, always, always cheers on a Sunday. Hey, from me to you, thanks guys.